Good evening. Welcome to the Sunset Hotel. How may I help you?
Good evening. Do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Yes, we do. Would you like a single or a double room?
A double room, please.
We have a standard double for 120 or a deluxe double with breakfast for 160.
What's included in the deluxe?
It's larger, has a balcony, and includes breakfast for two.
That sounds great. I'll take the deluxe.
Perfect. May I have your ID and credit card, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Here's your key. You'll be in room 402 on the 4th floor. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Do you have any rooms available tonight?
Let me check for you.
Thank you.
Yes, we have both single and double rooms.
How much is a single room per night?
It's $80, including breakfast.
And a double room?
A double room is $120 per night.
Does that include breakfast too?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Do the rooms have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi in all rooms.
That's good. Do you also have parking?
Yes, we offer free parking for guests.
Great. Is the hotel close to the city center?
Yes, it's a 10-minute walk.
Perfect. I'd like a double room, please.
For how many nights?
For 2 nights.
May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Maria Lopez.
Thank you, Miss Lopez. Do you need early check-in?
Yes, if possible. Around 11 a.m.
I'll note that for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like to pay now or at checkout?
At checkout, please.
No problem. Your room is reserved.
Excellent. I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay. Good evening. How may I assist you?
I'd like to know if you have any rooms available tonight.
Certainly, let me check for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
We have both standard doubles and deluxe rooms available.
What's the rate for the standard double?
120s per night, breakfast included.
And the deluxe option?
That would be $180, also including breakfast.
What's the difference between them?
The deluxe has more space, a city view, and a larger bed.
That sounds nice. Do all rooms have Wi-Fi?
Yes, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi in every room.
Perfect. Do you also offer parking?
Yes, we have secure underground parking.
Excellent. How far is the hotel from the train station?
About a 5-minute walk, very convenient.
Great. I think I'll take the deluxe room.
Wonderful choice. For how many nights?
For 3 nights, please.
May I have your name for the booking?
Of course. It's David Harris.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. Would you like early check-in?
Yes, around 10 a.m., if that's possible.
I'll make a note of that.
Thank you very much.
Would you like to pay now or at checkout?
At checkout, please.
Certainly, your deluxe room is reserved.
Excellent. I appreciate your help.